2005 Toyota 4Runner SR5, the V8 engine. Alright, silver metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with new tires, tinted windows, side step running boards, roof rack crossbars, tow hitch trailer package, retractable tailgate glass, 2 shelving cargo system, light gray leather interior, carpeted floor mats throughout, power windows, locks and mirrors, power adjustable lumbar support, upgraded Pioneer radio, steering wheel controls, just on 189,000 miles, and we've even got a sunroof. Come out and see us, cars.